Big Bang is back. We got the dance practice. Yes, I'll be reacting to dance practices. You know, if you the fave, I'm gonna be reacting to everything. Big Bang, big dance practice. Big Bang's back in the motherfucking building. Oh, is that the... Oh, that's a shiny ass microphone. Oh. I am curious what is the actual choreo to this. Everything big, 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 big. Okay, push him away. Him pushing away the haters. Big. Oh, this is like before all the, like the hairs were a little different, no? Unless he's covering like the pink part. This is a little bit less saturated, unless they saturate in the video. Like the yellow, I mean. I love that hat, bro. I need that hat. Oh, low-key a twerk. I know some of y'all be saying like, Dre, you missed the Taeyang twerking. No, I did first watch, yes. It may be second watch, but I saw it. Don't worry, I got to see it. Ooh. Hey, G. Ooh, he slided in there. Ooh. Dali. Let's go, Daesung. Oh, shout out to all the days. Damn. My boy popped off. Hold up, go back. Hold up. Sorry. He popped off like a slingshot. Bow. Shout out to the dancers though. They doing their thing. It's so incredible. Ooh, let's get it. Big Bang. Bro, they bang out the best, bro. Dead ass. Everything big, big, big. Big. The little distortion. That blue pants be blueing. Let's go, GD. It's just vibe checking for a 8. Turn up. What an interesting outfit too for dance practice. Daesung and Taeyang's part is probably one of my favorites too. And GD's rap. Ooh, Muhammad Ali. Ooh, okay, you got the side step. Hey. Done it. They done it. Bro, he really be serving though. For a dance practice? Is that a Chrome Hearts tank top, Daesung? Tongue out? What the fuck? Oh, he acting out for real. He said, I brushed my tongue. Damn. Friggin' GD slapped me with a cap. Do it again. I want it. All right, y'all guys. Put it in comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. I'm already jealous that everybody's getting to go to Big Bang's concert. I'm going to try and make it. I gotta. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy, Dre. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Be sure to check out the Patreon. I'll be reacting to more Big Bang content over there. That's right. On Patreon, it is free to join. You can subscribe for $1 to access more content. I'll be doing Twitch live streams here and there. My birthday's coming up, so be sure to check that out. I'll probably do a little birthday live stream like this Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.